So I would like to invite Madam Alina for our Bangladeshi first 100. It was 100 plus. It is 100 plus people are waiting here to listen something from your mouth on behalf of our company management. And definitely we are very happy and very lucky to get you. Would like to request to Madam Alina come to open the camera video and then say something for our community. So we will be very, very happy. So, Madam Alina, are you here?
Good evening. Yes, I'm here.
Yes, we can see you. Thank you very much. We are very happy, madam. And basically, all the community is from our Bengali community, especially from Bangladesh. But most of our people are in the overseas, like Dubai, Bahrain, Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar, and some of our India, Kolkata, Bengali part also. So thank you very much, madam. Please tell us something about our company information, about our upcoming good days. So welcome to our BOP program, and we are very happy to listen something from you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Please.
Thank you so much for inviting me. It's actually a very great pleasure to hear this welcoming from you. And good evening from Russia to everybody now. And my name is Alina. In short, you can just call me with this name. And overall, let me give you some information first about myself, and then let me give you some information about overall the company where I work for, where I do collaboration. So nowadays, like let's say, trading is actually one of the most, let's say, popular and the best fields where you can earn lots of, like, let's say, bucks if you are smart enough, and if you search, if you of course find a reliable source where to work for. And I work like for a long time. I mean, I do collaboration with the company of Oexbit as a marketing development officer for a long time. And by working in this, I can actually tell you that that's a company where you can rely on, let's say, first of all, customers, let's say, trust, and second of all, in terms of the, let's say, marketing research, which I actually do in all, let's say, worldwide, and third of all, in terms of the brand development, because this company, first of all, focuses on the customer satisfaction, number one, and number two, basically, it provides the best service, let's say, compared to most, like, companies among the worldwide, based on the research which I have been doing in terms of the brand development and the product that it offers to many people. You can actually, like, rely on the company like 100%. And basically, my role is that I do digital and traditional marketing strategies in order to develop so that the company, let's say, will work in a peaceful environment, first of all, and second of all, it provides, let's say, the traders and all the people who are trading in our own, let's say, fields. So basically, it provides, let's say, it provides a peaceful environment for the traders who are actually using our platform in order to promote themselves in the trading industry. And based on the data, safe community, you can actually feel that you are aware, you are respected, you are aware where you feel secure based on your data, and in terms of this all. And basically, after 3 years of overall, let's say, experience in this industry and 10 months of testing and verifications of the bot, which OX, let's say, Bit company provides you with, we have found out that Oexbit bot provides the active coverage of data worldwide, and second of all, it's a heaven for those traders who actually did lots of mistakes before compared to their let's say, other platforms which they used before. The Oexbot provides you with the best, let's say, driven data, that's very precise and accurate, and after meticulous understanding of all the, let's say, patterns that work inside this trading, it provides you with a clear understanding about how the platform works, first of all, and second of all, about the meticulous understanding that you can actually see and calculate yourself and find out and have the data about the overall, let's say, marketing strategies which are inside this platform. And third of all, it provides you, let's say, multi-level affiliate system where you can, for example, surely secure us in terms of the, for example, investment that you are, let's say, using for this. And AI bot provides you with the profitable and efficient, let's say, profitable and the trading efficiency compared to other bots. And with the help of this bot, it's for sure that you will have maximum return on the amount of, let's say, money that you provide with. And plus customer funds can be withdrawn everywhere in every part of the world. And plus the withdrawal may take 3 to 30 minutes, which is actually a very, let's say, which is actually something compared to other trading platforms where you, for example, daily use. It provides you a very fast, let's say, a very fast and secure withdrawal process. And number 4 is that, of course, confidentiality and clarity. As long as it's not human-driven, let's say, human-driven thing, it provides you with the confidence that based on the amount of, for example, let's say, trading that you are using inside the platform, you can be provided with the overall clarity of the process that you are in. And number 3 is that it's related to all transactions, and all transactions are handled automatically, and of course with the maximum returns. And overall, our, for example, incentives are divided into 2, which are regular and special. Based on your, for example, preference, you can be all time choosing out. But now let me give you some information about let's say, incentives that our company is offering, which is gonna be a very good news for most people. I would say that as long as the company, let's say, is developing day by day, and the amount of, for example, users and the amount of traders which are really trusting us and coming to our company and being contented and being satisfied with the service we are providing, we would like to invite them, we would like to provide them with something that could be very beneficial, that could be very memorable, that could be, let's say, motivating for them to be with us for a long term, and that could be very beneficial for example, themselves, even for their family, for example. As long as they are working hard, they need to be rewarded for some reason. And by considering this, our company has established a very special, let's say, rewarding program for those traders who are cooperating with us. And that's going to be an incentive to go Maldives. I think this is going to be something which is very memorable and which is something that should be very rewarding for the people who are working and who are cooperating with us. Because, of course, after a long time work and after a long time of, for example, giving yourself in terms of your own, let's say, business, especially in the trading, you need to have a special, let's say, rest in the place where you really deserve and where you really feel, let's say, rewarded from your work. So, but I have to mention one thing here. It really depends on the sales, of course, which you are doing with our company. That's counted from the 1st of October until the 12th of November in 2024. So based on the sales which you do inside this period, we will, for example, be paying attention, and of course the amount of the sales which you have to be doing at least should be 90 out of, let's say, 180, for example, days taking package, a days taking level, let's say. And it has 2 options. Option A, personal new, let's say, and option B, let's say, personal team sales. For example, you can just do sales if it's as a single person, as just one, or you can do sales as a team, as a whole team. So once, for example, you cooperate with several people, the amount of the profit which you are getting will be divided like to the members of the team which you are cooperating with. And now let me explain to you a little bit about the two packages which we are offering you once you start doing your own sales with our program in this, like let's say trading platform. So personal new, it includes the investment of $4,990, like it's like per person. And once you start, for example, reaching this level, it will be like let's say for the person who is being responsible for the sales. But when it comes to, let's say, team sales, like for single package, it's gonna be $9,990. So 40% of this selling from one team. But if it's gonna be, for example, a couple of people, for example 3 or 4 more, it's gonna be like 20-20-20. I mean, based on the amount of sales which you are doing, for example, in the platform, like your percentage will be divided. Or if you are, for example, doing as a single person, you will get, for example, 40% from the sales which you are doing. But now let me explain to you about the, let's say, package of team sales, like as a couple. So team sales as a couple, it starts from $17,999, which is gonna be a very actual big heaven, of course it seems. But when it comes to your abilities in terms of selling them, for example, it provides you a very good opportunity, and it provides you with 40% like from one team. But as I mentioned before, if it's gonna be like 3 or 4 more, it's gonna be again divided into percentages. But here I would like to mention you one more thing, which is gonna be very actually profitable, and which is gonna be very rewarding, and which is gonna be something that will provide you with memorable, let's say, rest in the place where you feel yourself much better. Because Maldives, compared to other places, let's say for having relax and for having rest, is the best option. So I myself also will be attending. I mean, I myself will be attending this tour, and of course, it provides you with, for example, like a return ticket. And number 2, it provides you like 3, let's say, nights and 5 days, let's say, booking of the hotel, and it provides you with great time of the meals which are served, and plus it provides you with the memories and with the reward that you can be getting from the company once you start, for example, doing sales and working on yourself and doing your best in order to develop the company. I hope I'm able to explain about all things that we are offering, and I will be really glad to see all of you with me in the Maldives, so we all can have a lot of, for example, memorable time and memorable sales, of course. That's why I offer everyone to start working hard from this day on, so you will all sell more compared to, like, let's say, other people, like in the competitive atmosphere, and they all have very nice moments in Maldives. And I hope to see all of you right there. And I'm really happy to be one part of the community, which you actually are together now. And I wish you all of you luck, and I wish everyone more sales and more profit, and just the reward of Maldives. Thank you so much.